Hello, in this video we will show you how to replace the right engine mount on Seat Leon 2 liters TDI PD. This car is equipped with the BMM engine and the timing belt and serpentine belt are located on the side of the engine. To get access to the right engine mount, first we need to remove this air intake hose. It's held by one bolt and two metal clamps on two sides. That's the air intake hose out. Next we're going to remove the bolts holding the fuel filter housing. Don't disconnect any fuel lines, only remove the three bolts, the two bolts and the one not holding the fuel filter housing, and put the fuel filter housing to the side. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the fuel filter housing is loose, I'm going to put it to the side, maybe get an elastic rope just to hold it there. Next we're going to remove the two bolts holding the coolant tank and also remove the electrical connector. These are the two Torx bolts holding the coolant tank, and we're going to put the coolant tank to the side. We're also going to remove that bolt holding the windscreen washer tank. Now we're going to put the coolant tank to the side, and now we have access to the engine mount. Before removing the engine mount, first we're going to remove the engine under tray so that we can get a jack to hold the engine underneath. I'll show you a closer view of the engine mount. This is the engine mount. The engine mount is held by 6 bolts, one there, two right there, and two on the back right there. Before I remove those bolts, first I'm going to put a jack underneath the engine to hold it in place. Make sure you put wood between the jack and the oil pan so that you don't break the oil pan. And now we can start removing the 6 bolts. We need to remove those 2 bolts as well. And now that all the bolts are removed, we can take out the engine mount. Putting the engine mount back on is in the exact reverse order. You put it in its place and then you put on the 6 bolts. When you put on the 6 bolts, then you're going to tighten them, and then we're done with replacing the engine mount. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.